It's my birthday, I'm about to get lit. Might blow a bag on the drip. Make it all back on the quick flip, ayy. I just need cake and a thick bitch, ayy. I ain't have much, just a wish list. Not a broke nigga doing big shit. I got the gun locked loaded, I'm ignorant. So keep one eye open like slick rig. I got the drip game, nigga, on the big man. Switch lanes on him, hit the mid-range. Keep the big strap on me like a hitman. It go click, clack, willow while a big bang. I ain't never been shit, ain't shit changed. But niggas get lame when you get fame. Can't sleep at night till I get brains. Got a mean ass pipe in a dick game. I got a bitch on my sofa. I got a chip on my shoulder. You gotta live with your karma, and if you get hurt, then you got what you supposed to. I got hitters all over. Told them this is all over. I take the kids on drugs, I line them all up and get them all sober. I got a little check that I cashed out, ayy. Credit card maxed out, ayy. I get lit and I act out, ayy. I ain't wanna do it, but I blacked out, ayy. They say I need to be safe. I think I need to be straight. Fix your vibes, you need to be late. You just need God or you need to meet mates. I left my bitch, maybe we just need space. I got gunners like Chris, like Neezy. I got brothers like Tip, like Breezy. I got stunners like Wayne, like BG. I got a hood bitch all about the bread and she only give me head cause the bed too squeaky. I'm too smart for a hoe try G me. A bitch would be dumb if she ever try leave me.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4, moreno, gringo, hembra, vato, gangsters, hustlers, killers, follow. I'm the realest nigga I know. I just hit the fucking lotto. I just hit the fucking lotto. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, moreno, gringo, hembra, vato, gangsters, hustlers, killers, follow. I'm the realest nigga I know. I just hit the fucking lotto. I just hit the fucking lotto. Why do I feel like Manson? Smoke y'all niggas, I feel like I just got cancer. Murder and spree's my anthem. All of y'all clowns is banter. Still can't pull your pants up. Kidnap kids like Amber. Hold a little nigga for a ransom. I moved from the trap to the mansion. Went from the hoopy to a phantom. If niggas got stuff, don't amp 'em. I never been pretty, but my mom think I'm handsome. I hate niggas that flex on camera. Little kids always tryna throw tantrums. Oh, you motherfucking dry like dandruff. You can get washed and I throw you in a hamper. I got a bitch on my sofa. I got a chip on my shoulder. You gotta live with your karma, and if you get hurt, then you got what you supposed to. I got hitters all over. Told them this is all over. I take the kids on lean and get them all clean and give them all soda. Watch how I do it, I demonstrate. Ooh, I ain't gotta move, I renovate. I don't really pray, I meditate, yeah. I ain't gotta jump, I levitate. Always on time, I'm never late. I was outside like every day, trying to turn water into lemonade. Now I'm booed up like Lmaooo. I just want getaway. You don't want war with a rich nigga. You should hit the gym, get a bit bigger. I ain't got patience for bitch niggas. Wrap you in the basement with big tickers. Your bitch is a thot, you had kids with her. Your watch look lit, but my wrist lit her. You thought he had a plan to the fist hit her. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, moreno, gringo, hembra, vato, gangsters, hustlers, killers, follow. I'm the realest nigga I know. I just hit the fucking lotto. I just hit the fucking lotto. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, moreno, gringo, hembra, vato, gangsters, hustlers, killers, follow. I'm the realest nigga I know. I just hit the fucking lotto.
I just hit the fucking lotto.
Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
That we've been feeling so close, and I'm gonna tell you about it. I'm gonna show you about it. That girl belong to me. Oh man, oh. Mama, here come that man again. Here come that man again.
Yeah. Ain't show no love, feel no pain. Lord, to me and everything.
Right there first.
I feel like everybody watching. Don't teams, everybody plotting. Keep seeing fake page in my comments. On the loud, on the jet with my partners. Street nigga, my respect, I like got here. Feed bitch, eat a dick till her nose run. And she crying, used to ride on the donut. Now I'm flying, came from nothing but we up now. About time waited so long to shit on. They say I ain't got no mama, shit been gone. Keep a nasty little bitch and she stay tryna force. She gon' beg for my dick with the thumb in the butt. Take it out, eat it up, eat it up. Keep my niggas on go, they ain't going for nothing. Got a call from my uncle, ain't never gave nothing. Dropping nuts and he asked for some money. Let me shit. What was you and your brother? I was straight. What was you? Don't scream loyalty, you don't know the meaning. Cause you don't. Used to cry to my mama, feed daddy would beating. The fuck you got used to it, turn on the floor. I was brought a new world as a demon. You ain't real, I know cause I see it. And a freak to go eat in your DM. I will. Beat his face off and say, no I didn't. BDB-ENT, loyalty, mean that thing run the city and don't even beat out of me. My pain like the ocean and run a little deeper. While you screaming free me and you out here cheating. Lord know how it hurt me, but I hate to leave. Watch out for the service, but hang with some demons. My enemies close to me, I like to see them cross you like a rosary, thinking I need you, nigga. Fuck them niggas be talking about. Not a goddamn Show no love, feel no pain, loyalty me and everything. Nothing. You not a baby entertainment. I just like one in the motherfucking world. Fuck them niggas be talking about.
Make sure she hot. Just checking on temperature. I'm kidding.
Yeah, I came from none. Got a new woman and she came from money. I got my credit in the street cause of hustling. I own my polish and young niggas suffer. Niggas be capping and niggas be bluffing. I'm the front runner, you niggas is bugging. I'm working doubles, fuck having a struggle. Drip when I walk like I'm slipping in puddles. I ain't even texting that bitch like she bustin'. I just be ballin' like I'm bookie cousins. Listen to drugs, fuck with my stomach. Took out hiatus, fuck with my talents. Staying out of violence and staying silent. Pray for a lot, thank the Lord for his kindness. You say a lot, but your acts proof different. I got trust issues, some niggas be bitches. Some bitches be tricking, they catching me slipping. Catching no comer, that shit is tough. Promise ain't leaving the booth to the sun up. Follow that wolf and you never gon' run up. Peanut butter bread, this work got me done up. Looking back at life like I really did it. Crazy to think how they ran on my image. That was on Chewy's, I was in Subies. Used to be worried the brand was gon' sue me. Now they need K for their denim campaigns. I can't complain cause I came a long way. Fuck the fame, I need to get paid. Need a vacay, I need to get laid. I had a long day, do shit to the face. Might hit the barbershop and get a fake. And nigga in the parking lot by your bed. Crazy. I came from none, got a new woman and she came from money. She got my credit in the street cause of hustling. I own my policy, y'all niggas suffer. Niggas be capping and niggas be buffing. I'm the front runner, you niggas bugging. I made a brick of gold out of none. I met my bitch a queen in some months. I take my shit all the time cause I want her. I fucked that bitch off the strap, I was gunning. I told that hoe drip a drown like I'm gunning. When you that nigga, they ask for your number. Why you so handsome? Cause of my mother. Why I be spazzing? Cause of my mother. Why I be jazzing? Y'all niggas junkies. Y'all niggas has-beens. I keep it funky. Carrying this dirty. I keep it gutted. I keep it cordial. Really don't trust you. Try something, I really might bust you. Try something, I really might. Yeah.
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.